everyone, today I'll be showcasing C# video number 6. In this video I'll be showing how to customize a free Coldor trainer and to make it look really nice. Everything for this horse will be posted on my Discord so you can use it. Please make sure to like and subscribe. So let's begin. Open Visual Studio 2022. Don't even have to have it open, but so then there's a link on GitHub which leads to the Coldor trainer. It's by the JoJo. He's the original creator of the Coldor trainer. So you download that, drop this on your desktop or like in any folder. Open Coldor Beach. It'll open on my other monitor. Inside of debug, release any CPU, change to x64. Click OK, close. Double click the Learn C++ and CS, and then click Form1.cs. And this is what you will get. Okay. Now, XP scale base, you don't need this because XP is bannable. You don't need it. You can do the same up here with XP multipliers because it's bannable. Doesn't work. So I'll delete it. Okay. And then command buffer, I've never had it work for me. Some people it works for, so I'm just gonna delete it because I personally haven't had it work. So, and then I delete that panel. Okay. Now, if you try and build it right now, you're gonna get errors, which it's easy to fix. See, failed. So double click this, and then over here you can see where the errors are. You can just delete them. And I would not recommend to even add the code to add back the stupid XP because it is very bannable. Like, I can't go into detail on how bannable it is. Its last area is right here. So now if you do Control-Shift-B, you can build it. Now, you might not like how this looks currently, so let's change that. Go to Project, Manage NuGet Packages, and then in my other videos, I showed 2 NuGet packages that I like a lot, which they are Guna UI. Let's install this one. I prefer Guna than the other one I'm about to show. The other one is Silicone. Which, like I already said, I prefer Guna, but it's completely up to you. They have pretty much the same uses. So now, show all. I have a Pastebin with all the weapon IDs, but they're old. They only work on the Coldor trainer. They don't work on my other tool. So I'm just going to delete it. I'm going to get an error. Never mind. I thought I would, but guess I didn't. And then I like to take all these off, delete that, and then I normally like to pull off a panel. Now I'm going to change the color of the background to 27, 27, 27. So that's what the background will look like. You can add a border if you want. I'm not, but you can if you want. It's up to you. And then I'm going to name it User 1 Panel. So now everything on this panel is going to go on this. But I personally, I don't like how these checkboxes look, in my opinion. I don't like how they look. They look like old, weird. So I like to copy a Guna 2 checkbox. And then in the video, I changed it to my font, which is, I don't know even how to say it, but it's that. I'm going to change it to regular, and then I'm going to change it to 12. In the video, well, in a few videos, I think it was C# video number 3 or 4, I showed how to change the checked and unchecked state, which is what I like to do. So I'm going to change it to red, change border thickness to 1, and then fill color I'm going to change to 27, 27, 27. And then for check state, I'm going to do border color is red, but I'm not going to have border thickness on. I want fill color to be 27, 27, 27. And then for check mark color, I want that to be red. So now, I'm going to build it, start it, check it. The border will disappear and it'll just be a check mark, like a check mark, which is what I like. So now, there are 8 of the check boxes up here. So I'm just going to line them all up here. Normally I would line them up if it was something that like is paid, but it is not. This is just a free video, so I don't really care that much. I'm just trying to show you guys how easy something like this is, and you guys can recreate this video and do it yourself. Now, you see how it says God mode, infinite ammo, infinite money. Now, these just say Guna 2 checkbox, and then what number checkbox they are. You just change that. So over here, I'm going to change this to God mode. And just want to ammo, infinite ammo, infinite money, auto fire, rapid fire, critical kills only. I'm gonna move this one up here because it's kind of long. And then I'm going to move this down to the left. So the next one is thermal scope. And for this checkbox, freeze, pause. So freeze position for freeze pause. And then move speed, you can just move this down here. You can change it if you want, but normally I just keep it, and I just change the back color. Like that. And then move speed I normally put right in the middle. And then there. Now, so if I went into a game and tried to use this, it would not work. Because if I double click God mode, there's no function to it yet. So if you click up here, see what happens down here. And then there's another thing that runs in the background, which it checks if God mode's checked, and if it is, it's gonna run the God mode function. Yeah, so you can copy this. I'm not sure exactly how it was spelled, like how they had it. Oh, there. So now, if I were to go into real game, click God mode on this, it will work. Which I will be going back and deleting all of them, like all the code that I haven't used, or like has 0 references, because there's no need for it. Okay, thermal scope. And then this user I can delete. I can move this up here. So now, if I do Control-Shift-B, start. If I went into a real match, this would not work right this second because the offsets are not updated. So let's update them real quick. So let's go to address offset. It has all the offsets, and up here it shows all the current offsets. XP scale base you don't have to update, but CMD, buffer, and player base you do. So if you go on my server, I have the updated offsets. There are 2 kinds. There are 2. Okay. There's the BNet version and a Steam version. It depends what you're on. My account has Cold War, but it's on Battle.net, so I'll copy the BNet version, go up here, that's player base, copy this, and that goes there, and then you don't even have to paste this in here, but this is just an example, so you can see. Now there, if you do Control-Shift-B, click start, this should work. Oh shit, hold on. Pretty sure it's somewhere here. I have to enable it, or it like equals false or something. But yeah, I'll go to bin x64 release. I will open it, and they'll all be black. Which I'll open up Battle.net. Sorry about that. If you guys could see my screen like that, and you guys don't have to worry about this. This happened a few months ago. It's fine. And then you want to click OK. Tell you what your offsets are, and then you click attach. Not all of the things will change. They're all black. Now they're all white. Let's just say you don't like how it looks like this. You can change that. You select them all, and then there should be like a disabled state or something like that. Maybe there's not. Yeah, I don't see it, so I don't think there is a way to change that actually. I thought there was. So that's on me. Yeah. I'll move this over. It attaches. I'll attach it again. And then, so, shows your current position. Up here, I'm pretty sure it shows the player's name for like player 2, player 3, player 4, and on. And then, everyone, so like, if you want God mode for players 1 through 4, they all get it. Spawn on cursor, spawns on cursor, spawn on save. It spawns wherever you right click, and it keeps zombies there. Cheat always on top. So for example, if I have this over here and I click on colder, it will put colder above it. So if you click cheat always top of Windows and you click colder, it won't go down. But if you disable it and do it, oh yeah, that's a simple fix too. So in here it says topmost equals true, else topmost equals true. We want to change this to false. So now, if I were to start it, now if I went in here, clicked cheat always on top, got it over here, it'll let me bring it down, and if I disable it, it'll let me bring it down. Okay. So then, you want to copy this, drag this somewhere where you can keep it, and then let's not name this all players panel. All players panel. And you'll understand why we're naming all these in a little. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna drag the player 1 stats for like where they are up here. Move that there, make that line up there. I'll keep that, I guess. It's not needed. Okay, so now this all players panel in here, I don't like these checkboxes how they look, so I'm gonna add our checkboxes. Name it God mode. Yeah, it won't let me do that, so. I'm gonna keep that for a second, because I can just use this. God mode. Infinite money. Make sure there's, yeah, oh, not good. So then I'm going to copy the name, like the design name of it, go to infinite money, change the design name of that. Yeah. thing. Infinite ammo. There's no code to it, so I copy this. Then I delete that. Go back to infinite ammo. Copy this again. Put that there. Double click this. There's no code to it. Well, not there, but there is code to it. So then copy that. And then change the design name so I don't forget it. And then I'll do critical kills only. And then I personally like to, I can delete this if I want to. I personally like to add all these right here, like just line them all near each other, which that is what I will be doing. Freeze position, I'll change that to something else. Like, I'll change it to these checkboxes. And yeah, I'll keep that there. Remember that I'm just trying to like make sure you guys could see and understand what I'm doing in this video, so you guys could do this too. So I'm not trying to make it look perfect or anything, just trying to make it look decent. Alright, I changed the back color 27, 27, 27. I changed the style of it to pop up. And then this freeze position, I'm gonna copy this button, and then I'm gonna try and add a button for every single one. I'm gonna put freeze because I can't put freeze position, which this might not even work. I have never tried. So freeze position, copy this. And then instead of checked, let's do if button one dot, I want to say click. Yeah, no. So I'll just do if button one. I'm not gonna do that. So I might have to do checkbox. If button one dot, let's think. Pushed. No. Alright, then I'm just gonna do a simple checkbox. Name it freeze. Yeah, freeze fits pretty good actually. There, now they're all lined up. So freeze one. Copy the code. Go into freeze. And just do the same thing with the others. And then we'll go back and clean up all the code too, so that it will run better. Players you can delete. You can move this up here. Then I'm going to Control C, Control V. So you copy that form, move it down here. I'm going to delete everything out. And I'm going to call this offsets. And then this box, put this in here. And then I don't like how it's like hella bright, so I'm gonna change it to 27, 27, 27. The 4 colors, like the text color, I'm gonna change that to white. And then you can see it if I say heat or something like that. You can see what it will look like. So yeah. And then I'm gonna change it to my color I use. Like not my color, my font. Sage UI. And then you want, hold on. Move this in here. And then you can do the same thing. Change the full color to white, and then change the background color to 27, 27. Okay. Now you're going to put OK in here. And change the back color to my color. And I don't know if you can do it with these, if you can like change how they look. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it on white for that. Same with this one. But the buttons I will change to pop up. It's up to you. You can change it to like flat. Flat or pop up, both fine. I'm gonna have it pop up. Drag it out. I'm gonna pull attach down. I'll move it over one more. Move this up. No, rise this a little. And then logs, you can delete that. There's that. I'm gonna copy this and paste it. And then everything in it, I'm gonna delete. And then I'm gonna call this weapon changer. Okay. Now you just copy this, bring this in here. Pop up. Oh, I have to make it multi-line. Now there. And then for this, when you start this and attach it to Cold War, what it will say is it will say 0, which 0 is just your weapon ID. And you can change this to, instead of it just saying 0, you can say weapon ID. Yeah, right here. So current weapon ID, and then plus. That should have done it. Okay, let me think. Current weapon. It's earned that. Big temp buffer. 2 string. So I wonder if I could do plus okay, now it's tested. So I'm gonna click OK, attach current weapon ID. There we go. This don't have to worry about. It's not that big of a deal. I will change this. I don't know why it keeps changing it to black on everything. Borders down. It's so weird. Can't even change that. So, and then this last 3, I don't know what I'll do it in. We think to move it up. Well, because that's all players. because you only need to see the top of this, so I'll move that down a lot. I'll move this down. There we go. Okay, so I'll move that up there. And then make a checkbox. And I'll call this insta-kill. Copy this. Go back. Insta-kill check. Delete that. There. And then these two, I'm gonna have to find out something. I might just have them down below or something. And then for insta-kill, we'd copy it again. But I'm not gonna have like any function for it. I'm just copying it so I can use it for these two. And these. You can have them all spread out, or you can put them all in one. I'm going to change the border style so to make it look like this. Change the background to 2727. So then it really matches them. Delete that. And then you want to put it all in the same place. Well, this is what I normally do. Okay. So now you want, you can, control box and borderless form. Gonna do borderless form or Shadecon 2.0 borderless form or something like that. And then border radius, you want to change that to like something to around the corners. And then there's that. And with the control box, what I like to do is change this to red. Border radius, change this to like 20. Border thickness 1. Maybe it's 10. I did it a little bit ago in one of our videos. Kinda looks like I want, but I'm not 100% sure. Still thinking. You can use buttons to make them disappear. So here's one button. Here's another button. And then right here you could have like user one panel dot show. And you can use like what you would want to hide all the other panels. Change that to hide. Go back to form one. And then pretty much the same thing, but just change it to like show and hide. Let's change that to hide. Change this to show. And then you want to click on the main form, and then you want to make it hide all the other panels. So use one panel dot hide all users, all players. I think I did actually. Yeah. Dot hide weapon changer panel dot hide offsets panel dot hide. So now when you start it, you will only be able to see these checkboxes and the buttons. So then whenever you click this, it will show the user one panel. And then if you click this one, it's going to show the weapon changer panel. And then I still have to add all these, but yeah, you can use buttons to change the panels. And just because I'm like just trying to show you guys what you guys can do with this, I'm not going to go into like a whole lot of detail for it. Like I'll change the text name to user one. And I'll like copy the size, put it to other ones. I'm just like trying to make it all fit up here. Offsets. There's one more. All users. Now this might not look good, but you can always use images, which, let me go here, vector icon, this website right here. You can use users. I normally would use like an image like this. I would download it, and then I would customize what it looks like. Like literally just like fill it out how you like. So it's really up to you. But then you would just click on this, you would delete the text, go up to image, and then local resource, import, and then the image you want. Simple. And then topmost program. And like, I'm just gonna put all these here, all the other checkboxes and stuff down here. But you could always put it in like user one panel, all users, or just something like that to you. Spawn on save. Right click. Spawn on cursor. Copy the design name, put it in the other design name. Do the same thing with this one. There. This you can have down here. You can put it in a panel. It's really customizable. It's up to you. But it's gonna take me like an hour to post this video. So give me a few it's gonna take me like an hour to post this video, so I'm trying to get it done fast. Here, now I'll go to offsets. Oh shoot, I still have to change the code up here. So change your undo all players dot hide offset panel. Hide. All players panel dot offset panel dot show. What else? All players offsets. User one panel dot hide. Open change panel dot hide. Copy that. There. I'll move that over, it looks funny. But you can really change a lot about this. So the offsets, touch, there. You can change the image on the buttons, all of it. So now to clean up all the code. So I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom, and then all the ones that have 0 references you can delete. All these have 1 references. 1, 2, 4. 1. And then right here for this, you can just delete that and put like I normally just put subscribe to Zarkeisha on YouTube. Is normally what I do. All these comment outs you can delete. Since I deleted the XP thing, you can delete the comment out for that too. That would just keep going on. Okay. So now the code's cleaner. And then, so in my Discord, I have it so that whenever someone runs the tool, it will say Black Ops Cold War Trainer started. And let's say you want to do that, you want to add that to yours. It's pretty simple. So here we go. I'll start adding it right here. Put public static void send web hook string URL string message string username brackets post hold on. Here, I'll do another video on this. I won't do this right now. But I'll show you guys how to do it so that it can sense like anything. But here, I'm gonna build this. Offsets, okay, attach. Boom. There. In the next video, I'll be showcasing this menu so you guys can see it and use to know it works. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a nice day.